Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at pictures in the text. Interact with the text and use reading strategies while reading to guess what follows in a story. Respond to the text post-reading to express understanding of story through pantomime. Listen to a fairy tale of a few sentences read aloud by the teacher. Recognize and identify consonants and vowels in the English alphabet using common consonant blends and digraphs. Identify and pronounce short and long oo sounds, double O, oo sounds. Articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express a few basic social courtesies. Recognize different categories of some naming words, for example, animals, fruits, vegetables, parts of body, and objects. Spell simple one or two syllable words. Identify gender of naming words from immediate environment, masculine or feminine. Fill in missing information to complete simple sentences. Replace rebus with words to complete a given story. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express basic emotions. Construct simple sentences of 3 to 4 words using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling.